Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in 2024. Gold bar scams in the United States. Gold bars, once symbols of wealth and security, have unfortunately become the tool of choice for scammers looking to profit off unsuspecting investors. So, what's really going on? Let's take a closer look at these elaborate schemes, how fraudsters operate, and the devastating impact on their victims. Stick around to learn how to protect yourself from falling into these traps. Gold has always been considered a safe haven asset, especially during times of economic uncertainty. In the U.S., gold bars represent not only wealth, but a trusted investment. Over the years, the price of gold has steadily risen, particularly during financial crises or political instability. As a result, many view gold as protection against inflation and the devaluation of currency. But as the gold market booms, it's also attracting scammers who take advantage of people's lack of knowledge. These fraudsters prey on greed and the desire for high returns, making gold bars the perfect weapon for deception. Let's take a look at how these scammers trick their victims into believing they're investing in real gold. Gold bar scams often happen when victims don't fully understand how the gold market works, or they're enticed by offers of big profits without the need for research or effort. What they don't realize is that the gold they're receiving may not be gold at all, and the scammers are just waiting to pocket their money. Let's take a look at a few real-life cases of gold bar scams that have rocked the U.S. in 2024. In June 2024, California saw a massive scam where over 100 investors lost a staggering $15 million. These victims were lured into a fake gold trading company with promises of 30% returns in just 6 months. The scammers even created a professional-looking website and hosted online seminars to build trust. But when the victims tried to check the gold or withdraw their funds, they discovered that the gold bars they received were cleverly made fakes. Now, this scam wasn't the only one. Similar fraudulent schemes occurred in New York, Florida, and Texas, affecting thousands of people across the country. In Florida, a group of fraudsters set up an online trading platform that promised returns as high as 40% in just 3 months. They used smart digital marketing to lure investors, convincing them to send money without ever checking the legitimacy of the company. Once the money was transferred, the scammers disappeared, leaving investors with nothing but worthless metal bars. In Texas, the scammers went a step further by organizing in-person meetings at luxury hotels, where gold experts promised huge returns and convinced people that gold was the only safe investment in a shaky economy. But after victims transferred money, the company vanished, and they were left with nothing. The scams didn't stop at the U.S. borders. In one of the largest frauds of 2024, an international group targeted investors in the U.S., Canada, and other countries. They used social media and online platforms to pitch fake gold bar investments, even setting up a multi-level marketing structure similar to a Ponzi scheme. So how can you protect yourself from these gold bar scams? First, always verify the legitimacy of any company you're considering investing with. Check for a valid operating license from financial regulators like the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Fraudulent companies often lack transparency. They won't provide clear information about their identity, and their websites might be vague, without a real office address or proper licensing details. If a company promises huge guaranteed profits in a short time, that's a red flag. Before you commit to any investment, always ask to see the actual gold bars. Make sure they're from a reputable company that can provide certification of authenticity and quality. Remember, investing in gold is not a get-rich-quick scheme. A trustworthy company will always warn you about the risks involved. If you find an investment opportunity that seems too easy or too profitable, take a step back and do your homework. Gold bars may still be an attractive investment, but they also attract fraudsters looking to take advantage of those who don't fully understand the market. The scams of 2024 have shown us that while technology makes trading easier, it also gives scammers new tools to deceive and exploit investors. To protect yourself, arm yourself with knowledge about the gold market. Carefully vet any company you're thinking about investing in, and stay vigilant for promises of too good to be true profits.